a wedyn just cicio coes allan. Ac yn ôl, aros ar y jog in between. Dyn nhw fan a wedyn codi pengweini fyny ac allan. Wedyn up and over. A wedyn o ti allan, i ti gael. Outside in. Ydych chi 3 bob ochr. Ydych chi fel? Dyn nhw fan a wedyn nice and easy rotate the hip draw. A neu cyfeiriad, change direction. Da iawn, a jog, dwi'n mai, nice and easy. Jog in between. A dwi'n ôl. A mwyn i 10 rotation, slow back. Eraill now, 10, da iawn. Nice and easy lawr i squat. Ydych chi'n 10 squat. Reit i lawr. Ond i'n ôl i 10, nice and easy, lunge out. Dwi'n lawr ni, hands up, and back. To each side. O fan na wedyn, nice and easy. Then cerdd allan, walk out, high plank, press up, nôl i fyny. Ydych chi'n gwneud 4 einia. Ydych chi fewn. 2 more. Last one. A dwi'n gorffen off high knees, 10 seconds as fast as you can. Gael y period calon yn ei heart, check that right to it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, a rest. Diolch i fewn. Iawn, so heddiw ma iawn. So da ni efo 8 exercise gwahanol. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Da ni'n neud 3 round, iawn. So 24 minutes. Da chi'n cael diod i fewn rhywbeth da chi eisiau yn y rest, iawn. Bydd da ddim rest in between the sets on 20 seconds bob tro, iawn. So first exercise heddiw ma. Ie, da ni'n neud o fan'na, ar y llawn. Alternating toe touches to right, to left, to nôl. And opposite side. Okay? Minimum 10 seconds ar y buzzer. Pawb yn barod? Iawn. So poke up positions yn barod I fynd. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Alternate touches. Na mae'n chael. So fan'na, nice and easy. Reit i'n hynny. A gyda. And that's fun. 20 seconds in. Good, open. 5, 3, 2, 1. 20 second rest, Byddwn. So next exercise, push up. So as we done in press up, allan, nôl I fyny. Allan, and nôl I fyny, yeah? If you can't do that, on your knees, press up, high plank, and jack. Off we go. So press up, allan, I fewn. Allan, I mewn. Out, and in. Or you go on your knees, press up, keep your elbow tucked in, high plank, jack. Knees, press up, out, yeah? Well done, da iawn. So tra da ni'n mynd allan, lawr, pwys allan, nôl I fyny. 10 seconds. Good, well done. 2, 1. Nice. Codi fyny. So tro ma, lle da ni squats normal. Squat on the side. Jump. Squat on the side. Yeah. So o fanna, allan, jump. Stack your squats, jumps. Off we go. If you do want to jump, just step to the side. Just step clear ochr. Os da chi'n eisiau jumpio, yeah? Light on your feet. 90 degree of squats. Feel the burn, well done. Holiday. Pump it up. 2, 1. Nice. Keep your good section. This up. High plank, straight line. Right, rotate. Up. And the other side. Good off to the squid. And get up. Yep. 2, 1. Off you go. So you cadw yn syth, core nice and tight. Dal I fynd, pwy'r asyn dod I mewn one. Rhwng clip. Iawn. So, high plank. Trio ddim rotate your hips. Gormod. Core yn dyn. Super, da iawn. 8 to me, 3 at the rock. Good. Yeah, so exercise number 5. Favourite chi gyd. Yeah, just go to the side. So the low, you off and go. Up and jump. Full burpees. 3, 2, 1, there we go. Full burpees. Jump and down. Good, down. Halfway, halfway. Each low, come and do it at your own pace. Yeah, just let me get through it. 2, 1. Nice. Come and get diod I fewn in yr rest, ydych chi eisiau iawn. Yn y 20 seconds, diod I fewn. Iawn, 10 seconds ar ôl. Gael set I lawr. O fanna. No 5 seconds, knees I fewn. Ag allan. In and out. Let's go. Nice and controlled. Squeeze your knee to your chest. Ag allan. If you want to make it harder, you're going to do allan, mewn, ag allan. Choice dyna ddo. So, knee to chest. Nice and controlled. Nice, good. So, exercise number 7. Shoulder width apart. High plank. Over and up. Pick the right mewn. Drive your knees all the way up. Try and keep your body in the line, yeah? About 2 seconds. Not funny. Just 3 of you. Go slow as fast as you want. Just go hips and head within your line. So you can't see it. 20 seconds, hanner ffwrdd. Halfway. Dal I dreifio. 10 seconds. 3, 2, cyn i ni fynd yn ôl i'r dechrau, iawn? So, gwyn nhw 10 hynny, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 10 star jump. 10 hynny, 10 star jumps. Barod? Let's go. Right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. As fast as you can. 10, 10. Dawaj mi to. Wait, halfway. Now. There. You should break your knees all the way. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Round 1 done, 2 rounds to go. First one, alternated toe touches. So we come here, we're going in 8 seconds. Right to left, left to right. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In the basket. Gael. Take it. Period. 3, 2, 1. Ja. So comiwch chi o'r fewn, dwi wedi dyfod joc, comiwch lwytho. Nesa. Gael protecting. Down. And up. Down. And up. Neto, yeah? A'r pengliniau, yeah? Your choice. Let's go. Show it apart. Wow. Give it. Down. And let the both mountain. In and out. In the sun. Good. Okay. Waiting at the drum. Last step. And give it. Your tactical position. Hip it apart. So squat. Squat. Squat, yeah? Want your lights on your feet. 1. Let's go. Allow. Die out. In your lap. Well done. Low impact landing, yeah? Jump it like you're soft. Cut your curve and create. There, give it. Keep it up, darling it. You want my kiosque? Come on. 1. Alright, keep it quick second. Yep, it's up. Right back. Low back, rotate. And no. So it up, yeah? 1. Let's go. So, quick. Just a last 1, 2. Back it up. Halfway. Good. Keep it tight. 5, 3, 2, 1. In mewn 8 to 12 in the 40 seconds. Let's go. Yeah? So trying to in mewn 8 in the day. Have the intensity in. Let's go down, chest to floor. Up. Jump. Right up. Good. Change my number. Check it out, target. Check it out, ball round. Last year, big period. Last year, people. Jump. I am. On your loud, tiny window. So pump when it's set. Yeah. So legs in and out. Nice and 2, 1. Yeah. So finish over there. Now, like that. You're about to fast. Just nice and control. Good, di lachio da ni'n gorau dal i, bwys yn joinio hawn yn hwyl. Good, 5, 3, 2, 1, relax. So, credit positions. The shoulder down on your seat, in line, bigger knees all the way in here. Big push on. 3, 2, 1, set. Right, good. Everybody on the complete round 2. That just in round row. All the way, good. Halfway, right. Knees all the way, halfing up. In right. 10 seconds. Come, prima di push up. Relax. Good. When you're near for round 2, you also then cover up, 10 high knees, 5 each leg. 10 star jumps. So 10 high knees, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. You should breathe, yeah? Side, out, deck. Side. Side. Halfway. What the try? Last time. You got your arm down. Tight, left side. 3, 2, 1. Stop it. Well done, pal. Last round. Yeah, in event. Standing for 5 seconds. And go. Now the alternating. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Off we go. Right to left. Left to right. Last one. 8 to that, I am. Doing good. Keep it up. Good. Deep breaths. In and out. Go on down in that. Dive. In. Good. Take the bit. Yep. So, I can cover everyone. I'm sure on just cover everyone down here. So, now you press it. Elbow tucked in. Out. And in. Or on your knees. Fyny, allan ac yn ôl. Let's go. Do it now. Do not try too fast. Nice and controlled. Nid yn iawn. More than hawdd. 10 geiriau. 10 seconds. 3. Last one. And up to low. Good. Yeah. Under position. 90 degrees. Kevin C. Chest allan. A give fan'na, yeah? Remember, position 2, 1. Go. Isio breichio. Power up. Good. Now turn. Lunge your legs and your feet. Need an eye, doing good. Ten seconds. Keep your chest up. 3, 2, 1. Keep your cwys allan. Breathe up back. Yeah. Stand on in plank position. Ac yn ôl, iawn. 3, 2, 1. So high plank. Got the seat. Dollar 1, 2. No slow. Head broken gormod. Nice and control. Deep breaths. Da iawn. Take it. Pump period. Rest. 4 exercise yn ôl. 4 to go. Yep, so burpees. So low, deal off the llaw. Fyny. Jump. 8 or even 8 to 12. Try and get 8 to 12 reps in the 40 seconds. Okay, come on. Go for half a grip. Finish off strong. Twenty seconds. Come on. Up. Last 10. Pump here, dial. Last one. Nice. Cheer up. You're fewn sydyn. Yep, very set. On the floor. 5 seconds. Pwysau mewn ag allan fel hyn. In and out, slow. But up. Let's go. In, out. Paid i gifepio iawn. 2 exercise ar ôl yn ôl. Feel the burn. Good. Good period. Last 2. Take it at in. So, shoulders apart, high plank, drive their knees up, yeah? Last 40 seconds of climbers on, let's go. Right. Wait, then you go. 10 high knees, 10 start your necks, and last exercise, yeah? Come on. 20. Halfway. Big push, that's it. Increase your speed. All the way. Nice. Last one. So take high knee, take start jump. 10 high knees, but out. Let's go. Big push. Big pedal. Rest. Minute of rest, you okay there? Minute of rest. Bron iawn di gorffan. Y 3 waith ei wneud. Yeah. So you're for off to finish off. We can do 20 seconds of squats, yeah? So 20 seconds, squats, yeah? On the bell, yeah? On the bell, we're going to go from 20 second squat to 20 second squat jumps, 20 second rest. We're going to do it 3 times, yeah? We're going to go in 10 seconds. So 20 second squats, you now need 20 second squat jump straight away, 20 second rest 3 times. Finish your back. Now you better keep it up here. So squats, 3, 2, 1. Okay, squats. Yeah. Out. And go on the bell, straight into 20 second squat jumps. 3, 2, 1. And squat jumps. And next bell, and you got rest of 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Good, now do it. One. And dial it up. Good. Keep your crease and your dash on, keep your legs out. And go, 20 second squats. Forward position, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Reach it out, all good. But you know we got money jumps, yeah? And change. So let's go about 20 seconds. Keep your right hand, feel the back. Halfway. Three, 9, in. 4. All done. 20 second rest. Last one. All done. Yep, so now only squat. Last one. 9, in. Let's go. Reach it up. Barod gan y squatchers. 3, 2, 1. Last 20 seconds. Break. 3, 2, 1. Good. Well done, pawb, da iawn. Good effort. Diolch i fewn, gorffen off 3 munud bach o stretchio off and off, iawn, da iawn. So nice and easy. So ga diolch i fewn. Nice and easy. Un coes allan. Gadwch. Dal o, hold it 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, a relax. Swap it out. Byddwn ni'n barod. Relax yn ôl i fyny. Efo hwn. Hip width apart. Fel stick your hips. Yn ôl. Mynd lawr slow bach. So hip width apart. Stick your hips back. Nice and easy. Go as far as you can. Once you finish stretching, dal i lawr yna. Iawn. 3, 2, 1, yes. Now we're really slow. Iawn. Un i fyny. Just gael lawr y bas ni'n gorau, iawn. Tri, dau, un, a... Dwi'n barod, change it on. Relax. Stretch nesa, ia. Sgwnnio'r i llaw. On the floor. Iawn, sbiadau coes i fyny. Left leg over. Right arms round. And pull towards chest. Tynnu towards the chest, iawn. So, chi'n teimlo fo, tynnu fo'n dipyn bach o eto. Dylech chi'n teimlo'r glwyd. Last stretch. 3, 2, 1, relax. Coes arall i fyny, yn y lygad. Right row. Pull towards. Tri, dau, un, relax. Ista i fyny ar y sgidiau. Relax. Left i fyny, sgwio ymlaen. A gorffen. Troi row. Relax. Codi fyny. Cic y coesau gyda allan. Hwyl, da iawn, pawb.